Good evening, everyone. It is April 9th, 2023. Now, just like on the weekly video where I just spoke a couple hours ago, what I'm looking for is a tighter range for our Monday and Tuesday sessions. So with that being said, I'll be looking to trade right around last week's second standard deviations of VWAP to the upside and downside. Those numbers being to the downside 40.98 quarter and to the upside 41.57 quarter. So looking for us to trade mostly inside of that sort of range. So kind of Thursday's low to about roughly Tuesday's RTH high, so I'm expecting us to kind of trade inside there, at least for one day. So how am I looking to trade that actually? Well, I want to be long 41.02. It's just been a really awesome level, but I will be waiting for a tag of 4100. The idea being that we built some nice volume around 4100 where we were trapping whoever was trying to short this thing heavily in the hole. So I will be looking for them to be covering some of their shorts over there. So I will be waiting for that 4100 tag before getting long. Below there, same number I've been talking about for a while, which is this 88.5, and then I will be waiting for us to tag 82s before getting that long on at 88s. In the middle here, right around half back of last week, the weekly point of control, weekly VWAP, and current settlement highs, as well as our weekly close and open. I'm looking for a gap. If we do get a gap up scenario, I want to be long 32.5. The idea being that we closed Thursday's session far above our VWAP on the day. VWAP was down at 41.17s. The close at 32s was one standard deviation above that, and in general this has been a nice pivot. It's roughly half back on the week, 41.30, weekly VWAP at 27s, weekly point of control at 31s, blah 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 blah. Essentially, if we gap up, I'd be looking for us to hold this balance level, right? If you just, it's pretty easy to see, kind of this balance zone. I'd be looking for us to hold it if we do gap up somewhere to here. Now, if we do open below 27, I will be looking to short it. The reason being is that we had some nice distribution here into the close. So if we do open below 27, I'll be thinking that we have distributed during Thursday's ramp. I will consider this a distribution into the close, then I will be shorting that distributive point of control at 31 quarter. If we gap up, I'll be getting long at 32.5, just that 4 p.m. close. Now, if we do open above 41.27 and start moving upwards, I'll be looking to get short at 41.57s, just where we had some inventory pileup on that. I think it was that Tuesday session. Yep. This Tuesday session, so I'll be getting short there, right around the second standard deviation of weekly VWAP from last week, right around sort of that sessional 95% value area high, 58.75. So I like this number in general to get short. Above there, you're looking to get short 70s after we tag 75. Just a price gap close from quite a ways back. I think that's what would that be? February 7th or something like that. It's been a hot minute, so that's what I'm looking for. Getting short 70s after 75 tag, open above 27, getting short 57s. The idea being if we open below 27 and get above this balance, that shows strength in the move, and then getting short 57s might be a little bit more risky, whereas if we open above 27s and just no real evidence of buy pressure if we tag 57s. If we open below, short at 31s. If we open above on a gap up, long 32s, long double O's, long 02s after tag double O's, long 88s after tag of 82s, and I don't think we'll be getting much above or below that. So that's all I have for tomorrow. Guaranteed we should have an update to this pre-market to Twitter per usual, and I'll get to work on that NQ daily plan for tomorrow. But there we go. That's how I'm looking for that tomorrow. Hope that helps. Hope that makes sense. And trade safe, you guys.